Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's another recipe with you again today, and if today is your first time, you're highly welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make spicy kpomo sauce. So to be making this recipe, here are the ingredients to be using. Here I have kpomo. Make sure you wash your kpomo thoroughly, right? Then the next ingredients I have here I have onion, salt, seasoning cube, uziza seed, ehu seed, control onions, jansa, fresh pepper. We call it orima. So I don't know what you call it in your dialect, right? So it's a local spice. So here are the natural local spice I'll be using. All right, then I have crayfish here. I'll be grinding it together with the fresh pepper. All right, then the next is palm oil, and here I call it ungo. We call it ungo. All right, potash water. All right, so instead of using potash, I'm using this. All right, so here are basically the ingredients we'll be using for this spicy kpomo sauce. So the first thing you'll be doing is, after washing your kpomo thoroughly, you add your chopped onions. Then this is the spices I showed you earlier. It was grinded, so I added half tablespoon of spice. Then I've added the grinded crayfish and fresh pepper. Then I'm adding salt, then seasoning cube, and I'm adding water, and we're leaving to cook very well until the kpomo absorbs the water. All right. So why I added salt was that my kpomo is not too tough, not too hard. All right. So if you get this kind of hard or tough kpomo, make sure you don't add salt immediately. All right. Add salt when the kpomo becomes tender, kind of. So like I said, we'll be leaving this to for the kpomo to absorb all the water. Guys, you love this recipe. It was so delicious. So this is it after cooking. So it's time to prepare the sauce. We're going to prepare our kpomo sauce. This is a traditional spicy sauce. Guys, you're going to love it. So I'm adding the ungo water. So if you add the ungo water, this is how it will look like. I don't know what you call it in your dialect. We call it ungo in Igbo dialects. All right. So instead of using the account we all know, this is what I used. All right. So I'm adding the kpomo. And stir everything together. So it's a simple and easy recipe to make, not time consuming at all. Alright, this is similar to the preparation of the Nkwobi we all know. Alright, so this is like I said, a traditional spices kpomo sauce similar to Nkwobi. So it's almost ready. We're almost done making this. Simple and easy, delicious. Guys, you love it. Just try it. It's a simple recipe. All right, it's a simple recipe, and it was so delicious. Please make sure you try this out, guys. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. All right, don't forget to subscribe. If you've not, please. Wow, this is it. is ready. Wow. So garnish with pepper, onion, and vegetable of choice. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day and see you guys in my next video. Love ya. Bye.